Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are going to the review of Changhong Ruba DC inverter. Which one is the highest and which one is the complete DC inverter refrigerator in the Pakistan. So now we are in the front of the Changhong Ruba DC inverter. The model number is CHRGG418P. So now we are going to understand how to operate the system of the display and thermostat. How to adjust. We're going to the power on. So this is the display of the refrigerator, DC inverter refrigerators. Changhong Ruba is also working on the normal fridge and DC inverter fridge, but DC inverter is very well and it's valid for the solar system, and you will operate on the solar system. So you need only two plates of the 150 watts of solar, and you need the 1500 or 1000 watts of the converter. You will operate this fridge, the all models fridge, on solar system. If you need a backup for the 24 hours to operate and to run 24 hours, so you will must be put a battery of 220 amperes of battery, and the three plates is valid for 24 hours, because the two plates for the running and one plate for the saving. So three plates complete. If you need 24 hour running this fridge on solar system, so you will need the three plates and one battery of 220 amperes. Then you will operate the 24 hour time. This will give you the 24 hours. Now we are especially discussing on the display, so how to operate the system. Okay, how to operate the system. This one is, so there is this four buttons are display here. The OK, the function, and temperature zone, and temperature minus or plus temperatures you when going to down or up. So and there is four functions to operate this fridge, operate this fridge. And there is a fast freezing and fast cooling and location mode and smart mode. And there is, okay, how can we operate? Now I'm touching, so there's not changing anything because the settings are locked. So the lock button is stable, it's meaning the settings are locked. So now how can we unlock the settings and how do that? For 5 seconds you can push on OK button, then its lock will off. Now you can change the settings. If you will change the function of the thermostat, so you can click on function. This is the fast freezing, cache, fast cooling. I'm really sorry, I'm touching the 2 times on. This is the fast freezing and fast cooling and vacation mode and smart mode. When you select anything, for example, I'm going to select the fast freezing, so you can function and immediately you can click on OK. This function is now running. So I am recommending in my recommendations, you can use the smart mode, because the smart mode is very good for the all things, and it's matter on the our temperature. So it's a matter on the weather, so which weather is ongoing. So smart mode is very well. If you need bulk quantity of free ice and you need more cooling, so you can use the fast freezing. If you wanna going to the setting as per you need down or up, so you can click temperature zone. is establishing. For example, this is the 05 and 06, 07, 08, anything you can need. So you can click on OK. Oh, we are late. It will immediately functions when you do not click on immediately. So will function, previous function will establish on that side. So now we are clicking on one time, the temperature is on, and again this is 05 and 06, 07. Okay, this is the down thing. Refrigeration box is on 07 temperatures. So I recommend to all people, all Pakistanis, if you don't have electricity, so you can run on solar system. This refrigerator is very good for the solar system. So you will need only 3 plates and battery, and you can run on these solars. And thank you so much, viewers. I'm really thankful to you to view my you see my video, and I am requesting to you subscribe my channel for more videos, and you will give me the feedback is the video is the operating system is well or not, or anything you need. You can comment me, please. Thank you so much. See you.